Ka office jong ka district election officer Riboy district kum ka jin snok tilang rengkat bergejala hi barok ka wei menta ka sngi ka arpsan teri ukala lengkot kala arke ya ka National Voters Day ka bakat ar ha ka jin yalang balapen long ha district library Nongpoh ha ka te ka jin yalang layo ru ya ka jin pensyai sya kito ki bradap khat prasnem shaneng halor ka jin don kam ka jongki mat ka jin penrung kerteng sya ka thop jong ka electoral roll ha ka te ka sngi la samru ya ki epic sya ki riu pajba ki bala penrung kerteng thamai pala samkus namru sya ki BLOs ki ba la treibha hagane ka program lawan benshim benta lang daka deputy commissioner Riboy district ka kong RM kurba kum ka kong san ha ka jinya don rengkat QA ki officer
and has given us a very good explanation. I will not go into that, but the only thing I would say that we should inculcate the spirit of willingness on the part of each and every citizen to come forward to carry out this duty as a citizen of the country, to to understand why we're doing this, and to we're coming in just a few months from now. We're preparing for the election, for the MLA election. So it's very important, especially this year. The entire year will be very busy with election process. So I take this opportunity to appeal to all those children who are going to attain 18 years on the 1st of January 2023 to come forward and register themselves at the right time, so that they'll be able to take this responsibility upon themselves to elect and select their leaders, and leaders who will be able to protect us.
So, why this day is very important for all of us? Because in this day, it shows that the power has been given. The power has been given to the people of India to elect the head of the states.
Sendiri